Well, good morning, Facebook. You can't see me because it's dark out. Because at my time, it's 3 something in the morning. Actually, it's like probably 3:30 something, maybe even 3:40 something. I'm not sure. To all the 99%, you may rise. We heard the popping sound. You know, where the 99% say no more. The 99% say no more lies. The 99% say we are free. So if you want to be free, throw down the chains. Smash the system down because it's already happening. And also, to those that are trying to get a hold of me, you can either find me at the Reed Opera House, downtown Salem, Oregon, or you can try emailing me, or you can try calling me, or you can try texting me. And one of those 4 ways will eventually get you to me. But without it being divine timing, you will not be able to reach me. So with that, I say, I love you all. And the 1%, you know you've been very, very naughty. Very, very naughty. And you got to stop. So it's over for you. I'm sorry. We tried. We gave you the message as much as we could. The 99% embrace love. So it's time for the 1% to back off. And also, just for the record, I did vote for Trump. And I do believe that all of our votes have been screwed over for a very long time. And America was infiltrated by the cabal. But the cabal is no longer in control. So, for those of you that are scared, there's no reason to be scared, because love has the power, the divine power, to transmute everything that is going on in the world today into love. If everybody just gave it 10%, just 10%. If the 99% gave it 10% love and transmuted everything that has happened to them into love, just 10%, everyone that's a 99%, please hear me. It will transmute. It will have the divine power. So, for every light worker, for every warrior, for every tribe that stands for one nation under God, indivisible, because we are the 99%. It is time to transmute everything to love. And with that, may you all have a great day. And if you get a hold of me, great. I look forward to your message, whatever message you may have. And if you don't get a hold of me today, don't give up hope, because it may not be your day today. It might be somebody else's. And with that, my husband, Double A, and I, Lucky Lou, stand united with the 99%. The 99% that are done with the lies and the tyranny and the enslavement, because we are here to set all of our people, all of our creatures, every elemental, everyone free. So if you're not sure, it's all dark. Look at how dark it is. If you're not sure if you're supposed to rise now because that popping sound happened, which would be the popping sound of people that have their head up their asses, they can't help it. They're infiltrated. They're heavily influenced by the cabal. At least they were. But now is a new day. Do you see that? Isn't that beautiful? Tell me you guys cannot see that. That is love. That is God. That is everything. Oh, hey, you can see my face. Check that out. So anyways, it's 3 something my time. I live in Salem, Oregon. And I stand for freedom. We stand for freedom. I should rephrase that, because it's not me. It's a we. Because we are one, and we are all connected. We are the 99% that have overtaken the 1%. And there's not a thing that the 1% can do about it. because we stand in their way. And we are all beautiful. The 99%. So, with that, hoo-ha, stand, ho-ha, rise, ho-ha. Be proud. Because we are the people. We are the 99%. And we will not be silenced. So, love to you all. Bye. Oh wait, one more shot of the moon, okay? Just one more. And then I've really got to get off here because I've got so many things to do. Oh, that's not the moon. That's the light. That's the plasma light coming from there. Ha, that's funny. I'm like, oh, that's the sun. But no, that's plasma coming from the Vietnam, the church there. So, anyways. May you all have a great day. Bye.